Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on the Forex market, in particular on the euro currency. So in general, performance brings no surprises. Actually, everything goes accurately with the technical background. We discussed this in the weekly report and in the daily updates. So in the longer term, everything goes to our long-term targets and in general supports our long-term bearish view on the euro currency. So currently, we just need to make minor adjustments to understand what targets we could consider in tomorrow's session maybe, and how market in general could behave around the major targets and the patterns that we have on the higher time frames. So if you know, on the monthly chart, our major destination point, at least in the short term, stands around 97.50 because this is 1.7 extension of the butterfly on the monthly chart. Our ultimate, or let's call it the target that we could calculate based on the technical tools that we have on the monthly chart, stands around 90, even below the parity. This is a major cluster that we consider, and actually yesterday, if you saw on the forum, Roger has made an update and also talked about the same XLP target, which seems really technically very important. So that's why on the daily chart, since COP has been taken very fast, as we talked about, actually just within the one session, market taking out of these lows, reaching the COP and moving lower. Market is not at the result right now. We do not have any strong support. So it means that gradually but stubbornly, markets could and should keep going lower on the background on the information that we have, especially as we are coming close to the Jackson Hole meeting. And I suspect that since the Jackson Hole starts close to the end of the week, somewhere 27, 26, 25 of the August. So it means that probably reaction on the monthly target around 97 and game around this target will be already on the background of the statements on the Jackson Hole. Because this is logical to suggest that in general, long-term target agrees with some major fundamental events. This very often happens. So that's just a few thoughts that we have on the daily chart and on a major target that we have on the monthly chart. Meantime, for day-by-day trading on the 4-hour time frame chart, you could keep an eye on, for example, recent thrust, because it stands really nice. You could see that it's totally, absolutely suitable for certain upward patterns. And if, for instance, we could get some minor interruption, because we will get a lot of statistics this week as well. We will get personal consumption expenditures, we will get the PMI numbers. That could bring some volatility, and take a look. If we get the pullback, we get the bread and butter, for instance, here, it's might be very interesting to consider for position taking as well with the targets that we have specified. Our shorter term nearest standing target on 4-hour time frame chart stands around 80 even. 98, sorry. 98, this is the XOP of this ABCD patch. So if we will get lucky, we will get the pullback a bit earlier, trying to take a position here with the possible target right there. If not, the market will directly go to the XOP. Well, maybe from the XOP we will get the pullback. If even it happens from the XOP, it still will be more than the 100 pips still the major target on the monthly chart. So it also will be not bad potential for trading. That's actually two moments that we could keep an eye on. First of all, that being said as a bottom line, major target 97, 97.50. Which would suggest that might be reached on the events in the Jackson Hole and statements from Jerome Powell and central bankers in the Jackson Hole. This is first moment. Second, we consider on intraday charts thrusting action, and if on the data release, on the statistics release, we get the bread and butter, for instance, we also could consider it for taking the short position with the first target around 98 and potentially maybe go down to the 97.50 major weekly target. So that's what we have on the euro.